Hello, thanks for dropping in. I have an update on the pet room. There are, from what I can tell, two more pets in the garage to rescue. They are, just imagine, a very long wooden shelf that goes, about the size of one parking spot. And down at the far end of the shelf, one on the middle level, one on the bottom level, there are two pets. There are things in between. Looks like toolboxes and other things, but besides that, in front of the shelf, there's a lot of boxes. So there's a lot to resolve before they can come out and play. Anyway, I am on the case. I will keep at it, and I will get them out. There is, this is a Wednesday, Thursday, tomorrow. If you're seeing this, I guess that would be, hang on, let me check the date. Okay, Thursday, June 15th, 2023, TPUG is having a fix-it night, and you can join on Zoom. I have been sharing the link around, but if you go to, I suppose, tpug.ca or search on Facebook for Toronto Pet Users Group, etc., 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 you can find the link, and you can watch and see what people are doing and ask questions and maybe learn a bit or offer some of your wisdom. I will be here in the pet room. I'm not sure what I'll be doing. Who knows? Maybe by then I've got maybe 28 hours. Maybe I can get another pet out. I don't know. Anyway, do join us. The Toronto Pet Users Group. I believe now it's been around for, I think, 46 years in various level, or, I mean, it used to be huge, and now we have big hearts, and we love our old machines. So, see you online. Thanks for coming. I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye for now.